serranos. Let's go with 2 of these. Just pick the cutest one from the patch. And some cilantro. I want to say 3 actually. Yes, but I don't like this 3rd one, so let me pick another one for now. Una chiquita. I'm gonna take 2. Okay, so I just got home from Aldi's and I went grocery shopping. I wanted to buy some stuff for today's dinner. It is Sunday. I'm excited. I just have to go wake up my dogs. They really don't want to get out of bed. We have like gloomy weather right now, but then it gets sunny all of a sudden. So now we're getting the sunshine, but Lady doesn't want to wake up. She's always trying to nap all throughout the day, and so is Kiwi. But Kiwi has like so much energy. And I'm also gonna do another agua fresca. I don't know if you guys saw my recent video, but I did a pineapple orange agua fresca and it came out so delicious. So I'm excited to do another agua fresca. This is funny because it's an actual plate and I ended up using it as a dog bowl, but I mean, we just leave it here just because there's days where I don't even want to go to the kitchen and I just leave this for them here. I know you want water, mamas. I know, you thirsty girl. Okay, now she switched places. Now she wants to be on top of these pillows. You're comfortable there? Oh, look at those puppy eyes. Look at that face. I'm not gonna grab your toy. You could keep playing. You just look so adorable. She loves that little pig toy. Look at her being still. You could keep playing. Okay, before I get started with the agua frescas, I wanted to share this cute little bundle that I got the other day at Ulta from Sol de Janeiro. It smells so good. I'm obsessed with this. I just finished this one right here. Let's open this up. Look how cute this packaging is, and this came out to be $85. I think the lotion itself, it's like, I want to say like 38 or 40 bucks. This one came with this shower cream gel, which is very nice, and then it also has the body scrub. I can't wait to use this. And then it came with this little sample of leave-in conditioner and this Brazilian bum bum cream, which is my favorite. And I don't just use it for my bum bum, I honestly put it all over my body. This just smells so good. I think this one is their #1 scent. And then of course it came with this body mist, and I'm running out of the body mist. Look at this one compared to the size on that one. That is crazy, but it is actually very good and it has lasted me for quite some time now. The notes, the fragrant notes on this one is pistachio and salted caramel. My God, I love it. Okay, this flamingo set is so cute. It does come with 4 cups. So I have the rest here and I'm gonna use them later with my family. But look, I'm gonna have a taste test right now because I deserve it. I love agua fresca. Okay, let's try this. You know me, I love to try the drinks, the beverages, but this agua fresca with cucumber and lemon is probably one of my favorite, and it's like the most simple one. This is so good. Like, I love this. I'm gonna eat the cucumber. Perfect. Okay, I think I'm gonna do another agua fresca because I don't know, I'm just in the mood. You know when you just get that little itch where you're like, I want to do more, I want to do more? Well, it's today, so let's start with the other agua fresca. Cheers.